400% increase in searches on Google. That is unreal. That's talking like wolf cut in its prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. So on today's video, we're going to be exploring the 2024's biggest haircut and colour trends and a little bit of a styling trend that's hitting the catwalk. It's coming from the catwalk to the high street. So we're going to get into really low maintenance hairstyles that you guys can try for the new year. Whether it is the very cliche new year, new me, new year, new hair sort of thing, but that's where we're at. The new year is here and I want to see a lot more people. I've got a lot of bookings for new haircuts for 2024. So let's get seeing what is going to be big trending this year that you guys can try. So if you're considering a new hair refresh for the new year, I've got a list of haircuts, hairstyles and hair colour that are set to be everywhere in 2024. It may sound a little bit cliche, but the new year is really the perfect time for a hair refresh. Whether you're looking for a new hair colour, a drastic cut, or simply want to mix up your regular hairstyle, there's plenty of inspiration out there. So following on from 2023, 2024 will see bobs continue to dominate. However, growing preference for low maintenance hairstyles means we're going to be stepping away from structured shapes and harsh ends, favouring choppy layers, voluminous roots instead. Voluminous? How do you say it? Let me know in the comments down below. So in the world of hair colour, this is one of the biggest trends that I was doing last year that I'm glad is coming over 2024 because the popularity of it, of the Scandi hairline, I did one when I was working in Norway and I called it the Balearic hairline because I was working on a Balearic setting, the balayage, but the hairline, the Balearic hairline. If you want to take it, use it. The trend is only going to get bigger. And are you intrigued to know what Scandi hairline is or the Balearic hairline is? I'm going to tell you a little bit more. So the Scandi hairline has over 91.1 million views on TikTok alone. The Scandi hairline trend blew up in 2023 and it shows no sign of slowing down as we're heading right in 2024. This technique involves colouring just the baby hairs and forehead hairline a shade or two lighter than your natural hair colour. The result looks like your hairline has been naturally lightened by the sun and gives you a beautiful soft framing around your face. Another trend that you are definitely going to want to try if you are going to be wearing a bob or longer hair without layers, I would say this works best on, and that is glass hair. So you'll no doubt have heard about glass skin. Glass skin is where your skin looks so dewy. A lot more people take care of their skin than they do their hair. So I'm really happy to see this trend coming over and helping people understand that little bit more about dewiness, shininess, healthiness of their skin and put it into your hair. So talking like that, you'd have heard of glass skin, where the skin looks so reflective, it looks like glass. That trend is trickling down to the hair industry. So like the name suggests, glass hair involves that hair so sleek and shiny, it resembles reflective glass. It's similar to liquid hair trend that was huge in 2022, but to achieve the glass hair trend, you'll need to keep your hair hydrated and healthy with plenty of masks and oil. It also involves applying heat, so make sure when you're straightening your hair, you're using your heat protector. Another big favorite of mine is the Italian bob, and the Italian bob trend is just that laid back bob. It's not quite the Chanel bob that we've seen forever, which is very precise. The Italian bob is that little bit more lived in, a little bit more laid back. So first seeing this in 2022, I'm glad it's back for 2024. This haircut involves multiple soft layers and framing the face, but also adds tons of volume around the crown. It's suitable for all hair types. The key to this bob though is allowing the layers to fall naturally. The perfect option for these looking low maintenance. Talking of low maintenance, we're talking about low maintenance layers now. You can have these in bob, you can have them in longer hair, you can have them in curly hair, wavy hair. But when it comes to us being very, very time poor, we're working an awful lot. We've got all this stuff going on. And I can see a lot of you requesting in the hair salon. Most common ways to do this is opting for extra choppy layers with your hairstyle and letting your natural hair texture shine. This could be a shaggy bob, wavy bob, or even that 70s shag cut with curtain bangs. Another really cool look that I've been seeing all over TikTok for 2024 is the Preppy Bob. And you didn't think we would have a 2024, gee, 20 years behind Paul, trend rounding up with just a bob style. But bobs have dominated hair trends over the years, and I wanted to just pop this one in because for the next 12 months, we're going to see more and more of you ask for a preppy cut. The go-to hairstyle for Hailey Bieber, and it's another low maintenance hairstyle. The Preppy Bob involves cutting your hair to a jaw skimming length with the weight at the end of the hair reduced for an effortless feel. And then finishing off with a styling technique. I was talking about this at the beginning. I don't know if you're going to embrace it, but it's definitely coming straight from the catwalk. It's the wet hair look. Tom Ford was using it a lot on 2024 spring summer runway this year when we're seeing it. But there's two ways to wear this trend, and it's either slicked back finish that gives just an out the shower sort of shine, really undone look sort of thing, or there's the grungier, greasy, more dirty finish to it, which gives it that little bit of edge. So maybe it is just time we got rid of that dry shampoo and embrace that little bit of grunginess. Now, just one more. I wanted to pop this one in here because this is a trend that I'm seeing absolutely blow up in recent hours of this video. I've just been Googling and I've just done a little bit of research, and I've seen that the kitty cut, that is the feline sister of the wolf cut, the sexier, sleeker, more polished version of a wolf cut for 2024. It's had 400% increase in searches on Google. That is unreal. That's talking like wolf cut in its prime, and that's already happening with the kitty cut. So if you're thinking of something that you're wanting something a little bit different, but for 2024, a little bit more polished, maybe that's weird, the kitty cut might be for you. So that is taking the wolf cut to a sleeker, polished look. And if you are currently wearing a wolf cut and it's maybe grown out a bit, it's the perfect opportunity to be taking the kitty cut as your inspiration to the hair salon. So we're thinking something about collarbone, still keeping the weight around here, but you wanted to put in the sort of softer bangs, fringe area, face frame, still a bit of layering on the top because that's what we want to achieve, volume and to incorporate that wolf cut sort of vibe. But yeah, the kitty cut is going to blow up in 2024 if it is not already. So if you've loved these hair trends, please let me know in the comments down below. What one are you thinking of going for 2024? Again, I'd love to know. Let me know in the bottom below the comments. Also, I just want to be talking about in every video now is the join button down the bottom. I'm going to be doing those lives for all members on the last Sunday of every month. Whether it's I do a live haircut in here, we talk about hair trends just together, but I really want to get to know my members. And if you are a member, comment below this video saying I'm in or can't wait, or just let me know what you're thinking that you would love to know from these live, because I really want to understand and get to know you, the members, that little bit more, just for supporting the channel, but also everybody who is supporting the channel. I just want to say I really, really appreciate it. And I'm going to be doing more lives, more videos, more techniques, more trends, more ponytail haircuts in 2024 than I've ever done before. So I'm really looking forward to bringing every single video every week, multiple. So yeah, appreciate everything that you're doing with this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.